honored to deliver this speech to our 68 graduates of 2024 who have all worked hard to get to be here on this momentous occasion. I am sure you are all very proud of yourselves. You should be because you deserve it. Or in Gen Z terms, deserve. As mentioned by Mrs. Hartman, I am Mariel. I am from batch 2010. So I graduated high school in 2010. Currently, I am a development professional where I work on a project called Youth Leadership for Democracy or YouthLED. What I'd like to emphasize about Fruition Education is it does not only focus on imparting the necessary knowledge and skills that your children need to be academically competent. More importantly, Lorenzo has this established culture of developing the important values or disposition, or what we call habits of the heart, for them to be good citizens. In that way, regardless kung ano bang piliin nilang profession, maging teacher, engineer, scientist, or artist, they will always carry these values with them. Hindi lang talino at talento, kundi puso rin. And the world needs more people who are not only excellent in what they do, but also have the right values like empathy, love of God and country, and integrity. Itong mga bagay ay hindi basta-basta na-develop lang wala sa pagtuturo ko ano yung mga nasa textbooks o modules. It does take a village to raise a child. And I can assure you that Lorenzo can provide the right environment and people through the teachers, personnel, school administrators, for your children to be God-fearing, patriotic, and responsible citizens. And not to be pretentious, but I am proud to say that I am a living testament to that. For a time, I thought it was UP that taught me these values nung college ako. Pero, na-realize ko yung the value of serving our country without counting the cost. Looking back, it was actually Lorenzo that provided me that set of values first. That very foundation and core of who I am now. And I'd like to thank again, of course, LRMS, Mrs. Vicente, for everything that my alma mater taught me that I still carry up to this day. You may not realize it, but having been a graduate of the school 14 years ago, I will always attribute my success to LRMS, and I will always be proud to call myself a Robijan, Semper Lorenzo.
As we wrap up this celebration, I'd like to give this message. No matter who you were, who you are, or who you're going to be, if you want to achieve something, go for it. With determination, you'll succeed in whatever you want to do. Though I can't say for certain that this batch will be together next year, just remember that wherever you go, you will always be a Robijan at heart. Semper, Lawrence.
Please all stand. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me as I recite the Pledge of Loyalty. In thanksgiving to our beloved school, we, grade school graduates, solemnly pledge our loyalty to her vision and mission. We promise to uphold her standard of excellence, to be caring and sharing leaders of our Christian community.